Oh no. Hello everybody! Welcome to my stream. Welcome to my stream. I'm Mia, Galactic Alien Mech Pilot and Creative Genius. Welcome in everybody. Today we're playing the sub-story from Silent Hill 2 Greatest Hits. It didn't come out. It wasn't included in the initial release of Silent Hill 2 in 2001. It was like the next one. I guess in the modern era it would kind of be considered DLC. I don't know if DLC was a thing in 2001. But it's like DLC. It's like a DLC, kind of, but you just buy the game again and there's an extra bit in it. And it's called Born from a Wish, and it's all about Maria. Does the remake have it? No, the remake does not have it. So yeah, people are curious. I think they're curious. Yeah. Thank you so much, Zykes. Thank you for the 23 months. Oh my god, we're nearly up to 2 years. What the hell? Wow, it's November. Oh my god, next month is my anniversary for existing. That's crazy. So close. I can almost taste it. The dog room? The dog room? Oh, is that just one of the endings? Bitch. Nah, the Maria Born from a Wish sub-story. Yeah, I don't know if they're gonna remake it. I don't think it exists yet. Does the dog ending exist in the remake? Yeah, there's a couple secret endings. I think it's kind of like a tradition for Silent Hill to have an alien abduction ending and like a dog ending. I guess they kind of wanted to joke around and have a bit of yahoo, thank you, Mac Bliddy, thank you for the 9 months, thank you. That's a whole human gestation period. Amazing. Thank you so much. Yeah, they have like a bunch of different endings. They'll have like maybe like 3 that are related to the game, and then I guess like if you're like a game dev on Silent Hill, you're probably like a little bit depressed by the time you finish working on it, so you want to add some like silly shit to lift everybody's mood up, you know? Be like, guys, it's not all doom and gloom, don't worry, there's a dog and there's also aliens. It's fine. Also, hello everybody. Stupid sound alerts. I thought I removed that from my account. I used sound alerts one time, and then now they just keep passive aggressively sending me messages when I go live that I always delete. Yo, hello Dragonator, congrats on first place. Hi B-Hodge, hi Macability, hello Oculus Nova, yo. Hi Kabooks, hello. Hi Ultraviolent. I love that. That's so cool. Wasn't there a movie called like Ultraviolent, or was it just Ultraviolet? And it had the Resident Evil actress was the main character. I think so. Did she have like a katana or something? I feel like she was quite cool. Anyway, how is October already over? I know, it's already November. It's already the 5th of November for me. Crazy. Mila, yeah, Mila Jovovich. It's not great, yeah. I think I just watched it to see her. She's like some, oh yeah, ultraviolet light because they're vampires. I kind of like all those old vampire movies. Also, the like the Underworld ones, they're funny too. I also want to rewatch Blade. I feel like I watched it one time for like a Halloween party. We watched all of them, but I barely remember. Mila's are what? I don't know. Really cool. He's really cool. Yeah. So it's November, but we're still playing horror games. We've still got to finish Fear and Hunger, and I've got to finish Silent Hill 3, which I haven't even started yet. I wanted to play 1, 2, and 3 this year. We might play 4 next year. So I'm a little bit curious about it. I know it's like not considered as good as the first three, or maybe it's good, maybe it's like not as respected. I don't know. It's different. It looks interesting. I know a little bit more about it than the other ones. Maybe because it's like slightly more modern. Croissant lore, hello. No more horror. Take a croissant. Croissant. The Blade movies are great. Yeah, I want to watch them. Did they say they're making more Blade content? But like, there was it going to be a game? A Blade game? Or was it going to be a Blade film? I can't remember. It was like a Blade something got announced. Which is funny, because I just recently watched the Wolverine and Deadpool movie, and Blade is in it. And he's like, I'm never going to be relevant again. Hey Mia, just about to head out to my second day of the new job. Hope you have a good stream today. Have a good second day of work, Sakitty. Oh wow, a new job? That's crazy. I hope it goes well. You can bring some of that like Halloween candy to smooth things over with the new co-workers. I'm biased because any movie starring Mila is good to me. Yeah. I had a crush on her ever since I was a teenager. Now she's in her 50s and still hot as hell. Oh my god. Whoa! Oh, my cat just leapt onto the desk. He's insane. He's insane. Wow. He just ran from the back of my ship all the way to my desk and like leapt on it at full speed. God damn it. What the hell? Sorry if that, sorry if you could hear that through the mic. They've been failing to make another Blade movie for the past 8 years. Yeah, I want more Blade content. I want like, I think the older movies that are about vampires are cool, and then like Twilight was like, now vampire movies are like this, yo. Now they're about sparkling and being creepy. Trying to date teenagers, I guess. Yeah, let's just like skip past that time period and like reconnect with the Blade era of vampire films. It's sweet that you remember my candy woes. Oh no, of course. I always try to remember. I think that's the nice thing about having a kind of smaller, tight-knit community, is it's like you can remember everybody. Yay. I don't know. I feel like I get to like chat with people more directly because the chat isn't like zooming past or anything. It's nice. Yeah. Anyway, vampire movies are pretty cool. Yeah, I'd like more. I would like to see a return. What was that other one? The Gary Oldman one? Did that also have a bunch of other actors in it that were good? I don't remember. Commissioner Gordon, but he's Dracula. Yeah. Anyways. I'm just checking all my tabs. Oh yeah, I do have a puzzle prepared for today as well. Nosferatu. That's the one. Not Dracula, Nosferatu. Gary Youngman. And he's also in Fifth Element too. He's in so many things. If rumors are true. Whoa. No. Hello Raiders, welcome in. Hello everybody. Hello Luette. Hello. Thank you so much for the raid. Are you guys playing Silent Hill? Clown Raid! Oh shit. Okay, wait. Hi everybody. Hello Behaj. Hi Plum Plum. Hi Luette. Fort Gum. Hello. Hello Gurgo Man X. Abyssal. And Alien Queen. Oh my goodness. Hello. We're in the presence of royalty. Welcome in. Also, hello, Rockor. Thank you so much for the raid. I hope you guys had a fun time with Luette. What were you guys doing? I feel like it was Silent Hill, maybe. Maybe. Silent Hill 2, nice. I hope you guys got out of the hospital. I'm playing Silent Hill 2, original recipe from 2001, but I'm playing some extra content that you can unlock after beating the game that hasn't been remade, so it's only in the old version. But yeah, Raiders, I hope you had a good stream. If you need to go to bed or get any food, please take care of yourselves. I'll be playing through Born from a Wish. It's where you get to play as Maria for a bit. I think it starts like before or maybe during the base game where you're playing as James. So it might have some spoilers possibly. Yeah, it might be a bit spoilery, but definitely interesting. You want to play the old one too? Oh, nice. I think that'll be really cool. Yeah, Caramel, thank you so much for the sub. Thank you. Yeah, I think it'd be cool to see the comparison between the two. I think the base game is a bit shorter as well, so I managed to get it done in like 2 streams, but they were like 2 big streams. Yeah, I'm looking forward to checking out the remake. I probably won't play it, but I'd like to watch everybody's streams of it, see how it goes. It looks scarier, being in 3rd person. That's Darby yapping. That's you. That's Chad. That's Starlad. Do I have a picture of Starlad? No. I deleted it. I was cleaning up my OBS scenes and I like deleted all the extra random shit. Yeah. So, I guess we should play it. Ba ba ba. Game scene. Leg spotted. Okay. Silent Hill 2. I think I did a save right before. Alright, let's put the game in. Silent Hill 2. Might need to resize it. I'll go over here. Okay. Game window. Hard to tell inside the menu. Maybe I'll get out of the menu and go into the game. Can I do that? Okay. Oh, my butt is so shiny. Alright, let's just crop it a bit. Like this. And then, wachow. There we go. Cool. So as you can see, we are playing the game as Maria. And we have the same, savey square things. Oh, I should stop the music. No more music. Only being scared. Yo, hi Dos. Oh my god, you're just in time. I literally just opened the game. Okay, so very similar to Silent Hill 2 when you're playing as James. but like way cooler because now I'm a hot lady and I have a revolver. Got a revolver. So last time when I opened this, we were kind of like wandering around. We woke up in the strip club that we go to briefly called like Heaven something or other. Heaven's Night? Heaven Fight? Heaven Delight? Hi, thank you. Thank you for the raid. Welcome in. Hi everybody, I'm Mia Galactic, alien mech pilot and creative genius. Welcome to my stream. Thank you for the raid. Is that Sion? Sion? I don't know how to pronounce your name. Please correct me if I'm saying it wrong. Hi, Wellrod. Thank you for the follow, General Mugumbwe. We were just playing this game. Also, I love your mod, it's so cute. Siome! Siome. I wasn't sure if it was like Yom or Yome. Hi, thank you so much for the raid. Oh, and thank you for the follow me, boo. Yeah, we're playing the sub-story for Silent Hill 2, Born from a Wish. So there might be some spoilers for the base game if you're worried about Silent Hill 2 spoilers. This one hasn't been remade yet, so far this kind of like little story only exists in the old version of the game. Hi, thank you for the follow, Siome. And also, hello, Perfect Alta. Hello. Hi, Jozu. Thank you for the... Oh my god, Jozu. Like Nihongo Jozu. Thank you for the follow. Yeah, I was just doing some recaps. So we were like walking around as Maria. I found this mansion. And there's a guy living in here. You know, there's like nobody in town except me. But then I found this house has a guy living in it. And we had a chat. And he's pretty antisocial. He doesn't really want to leave. And we're like, this place is fucked up. You should get out of here, dude. And he's like, I don't know. I'm playing the main story line for this, so I'll probably get going. Yeah. Good idea. But thank you again so much for the raid. Have a good luck. Have a good day. Raiders, if you guys need to go get some food or get some rest, please do so. Yeah, I don't know. I think this takes place before we've met James. I'm trying to remember the controls. I have a whiteboard. Got a drink? Wait, how many? 3? My gun. Nintendo 64 bullets. Okay. What is this thing? I'm used to games where you can like spin these things around and look at them, like inspect them from different angles. It's crazy. When the white breath is found, I shall dedicate this thing. O spirit of the mist, grant us fortune eternal. It's written on the back. It kind of does look like a spray bottle for like perfume. Was this thing always down? Can we look at the painting? Oh. Oh my god, is this inside the chimney? Are we like looking up the chimney? Or looking down the chimney? For some reason, there's a ladder in the fireplace leading up. Along the way, I can see something that looks like a hole. God. Secret in the fireplace. Hi. What is she looking at? Thank you for the follow, Perfect Alta. Thank you. What are we looking at? What is that? Fuck. It looks like a piece of paper. A red board. Oh, I'm collecting colorful boards. I got a white board, a red board. Is that a black board? Also, what is this? This is inside the building, but it's completely overgrown. Blackboard. This is how, like, mansions usually laid out. You have a forest room. This. Oh, a key! And some kind of like a crystal agate looking cross section. Collecting boards to avoid getting bored. They're pretty cryptic though. I guess you wouldn't get bored because you'd be like, but what does it mean? There's a square depression in the center of the tombstone. And above that is a carefully carved epitaph. JoJo reference. Alright. Along with you died joy. All that remains is despair and a future of meaningless tomorrows. Oh, wow. But I will never give up. 1, to see your beautiful smile again. 1, to beg the blessing of the gods. I wait for that day. When the boards covered all sadness too will be covered. But until my dreams return to reality, I will have to swallow all the pain. There's a key firmly embedded in the stone beneath the depression. No matter how hard I try, I can't pull it out. Wow. It's crazy. Is this lore? Everything is a JoJo. Yeah, it's a reference to a stand from part 5. Oh no, I knocked my cursor when I was taking a sip. Get out of here. Okay, this is interesting. I feel like it's kind of... Is everything in this game going to be like Maria lore? Because that's the big mystery to me, is like, what is Maria? She's born from a wish. You know? She like randomly woke up. Did she exist before then? I don't know. Is she real? She's like, look at me, James. I'm real. But like, are you actually real? I don't know. This person wants to be reunited with their like departed, beautiful smiling person here. And they think that they'll get to see them again. Their dreams will return to reality. A dream and a wish are kind of similar. I'm not real. Okay, can I like use any of these? What do we have? We have the white one and 2 more that I just picked up. It's a black metal board with square holes punched into it. It's got a cup on it. I mean, a dark grail. Ooh. When the dark grail is found, I shall dedicate this thing. You who deny death, grant us fortune eternal. It's written on the back. And this one has like a book on it. Okay. When the crimson words are found, I shall dedicate this thing. Oh, you gods deep in slumber, grant us fortune eternal. Interesting. I'm guessing I have to like assemble these in a certain way. Do they fit on the tombstone? Is it? I put the whiteboard into the hole. Then what? Can I put all of them in there? Can I fit all of them? Or only one at a time? Oh no, I have to rotate it. Ah, I see. Okay, so we have 2 more we have to cover. With the red one, presumably. Not possible. Turn it one that way. Turn it 90 degrees to the right. No, damn it, there's still one. Maybe I didn't need to turn it. I take it back. Yeah. Okay. Those ones are like, whatever. Maybe I'll just put it on how it is. Just as it is. Okay. Okay. What if you rotate it like 90 degrees to the left? Would that be good? Let's try it. Wait, can I do that? Can we rotate to the left? Yeah, the last one, okay. What? Oh, you bastard. Ah! This would be so easy in real life because you would just hold all of them in your hands and just shuffle them around until they like worked. Okay. Alright, you bastard. I gotta remove the black one too. Okay. How am I gonna do this? This is so annoying to do in a computer. I mean, in a PlayStation 2, you know? I wish I could just hold them in my hands. So the black one was placed completely upside down. Let's see. I wish I could look at it before I put it on, because I'm kind of just guessing. Wait, you want me to rotate to the right? That one's terrible. I think rotating upside down is good. I'll try also rotating to the other direction, to the left. It's like I can't see it until I put it down. Okay, alright. This looks possibly good. Let's check what the red one has. Does the red one have 2 blank corners? Because if it does, we could line it up based on that. The red board. Damn it. It doesn't have it doesn't have what I want. It does have 2 blank corners, but they're not like diagonally across from each other. They're both on the same side. Aww. Okay. Maybe I should like take them all out. Or maybe I just take... I can't like look at them all at the same time unless they're in my inventory. Okay. I didn't need to read it again. I wonder what this key is for. So much of this Silent Hill 2 is just like... get the keys. Alright, so I think if we do black upright and then red upside down, that'll get rid of that row. No one else has the potential to do that. They have to be that way. Yep, that's cool. And then the red one. Upside down. So we've cleared the top row and all the corners except the bottom left corner, and then those two guys in the middle. Hopefully the whiteboard can cover these. I don't know. It's like these two just fit together so well in this orientation that it feels like that's got to be the solution. So the top right is a blank. Remember that. Top right is blank. I guess we need to rotate it 180 degrees. Damn it! Well, the corners are all covered, but there's still this one exposed square. No. Okay. Covered the corners, but it's no good. Alright. Remove it. The red and black boards fitting together like that, it was the red herring. It was like, they're gonna think that this is how you do it, but then they'll be wrong. Those stupid gamers. Haha. Freaking hell. Okay. Well, if that's not it, then what is it? I want to try putting this in, rotate it to the left. What? We can't rotate it? Okay, I'll just rotate everything else. Okay. Gobble it. I wonder if like the stuff written on them is a clue to like how to place them. Like, you should totally rotate me 90 degrees to the left, but somehow derive that meaning from this weird poem about death. Yeah. That's not got any information on it that I can use to pick what direction it should face. Okay. Maybe rotate it to the right one. Oh no, this is the same as before. This won't work because red doesn't have the corners covered in this configuration. Okay. Cool. Take it back out. What about to the left? There's tons of stuff uncovered. And the diagonal corners. Okay, so that's the worst. What about upside down? It's so slow. Oh my god. Uh-huh. Oh, okay. This looks kind of promising. So we need to cover the top right and then like the second row, third across. Well, it's not really. It's like the third row, third down. Dedicate this image to my brain so that when I look in my inventory, I can decide what direction to place the red fucking board in. Nah, it's okay. There's only 3 options. I can just do all of them and eventually we'll get it. Maybe. I don't know. No. Okay. What if it was rotated? It can't be 180 degrees. It has to be to the left. Damn it. Maybe it can be to 180 degrees. Okay. Uh-huh. No. That's what I thought would happen. Man, I just wish I knew what I was doing. Alright, take that off. The red does not work in any configuration, so now it means that the white one must be incorrect. Upside down doesn't work. We'll try a different angle. That's not gonna work. I feel like I'm repeating myself. So upside down and left don't work, so let's try right. It's just not possible. Don't understand. Is there another board? am I trying to solve this puzzle with just 3 boards and there's a secret like extra board? I don't know. No matter how I align them, there's always gonna be one hole that ain't right. Yo, hi Derp, welcome in. I was gonna insert as is. Yep, that's what I thought would happen. Hi Ishi, welcome in. You gotta believe. I gotta believe. Hi Poppus. The board has been inserted. I'm just gonna like, I'm just gonna walk around this room a little bit more. Is there anything else in here? Whoa. What if I turn around and this is like another board? Actually, I don't see any other boards. Pretty sure this is the only thing in this place. Anything is possible. And take them all off. Get out of here, all of you. I'm also gonna sit back down. Hello, hi Kirk. I forgot, but have a wonderful time. Thank you. I'm having such a great time just placing these 3 plates down in like different rotations. It's like hours of entertainment here. I feel like we've really stumbled across something truly innovative here. Never gonna give you up. Uh-huh. I'm never gonna give up. So many combinations. I don't know nothing about this extra story expansion. Has it introduced itself on like why, when, where, etc., or did it just drop you in like you are Maria now? So, yeah, the second one. I was like, you wake up, you have a revolver, you have one bullet, you are Maria, and she's like a little bit suicidal. She doesn't remember anything. She doesn't have any desires. She's kind of just confused, but she doesn't want to get eaten by monsters. So that's her motivation right now. She's like, getting eaten by monsters would be pretty crap. I should probably go try and find help or something. Yeah. Yo, hi Stone Shot. So that's how it started, and at this point it seems like it's before we've met James. It's like it might be like when she spawned into existence. Hello. Yeah. That's pretty cool. And then we've come to this mansion, and we found someone in it who's like not crazy or a monster or anything. So that's the kind of focus of these puzzles at the moment. We wanted to break into their room and hang out, but they were like, ew, no, I hate people, go away. And Maria was like, oh my god, please. I'm so lonely. Everybody's creepy. I want this key. All right, let's go put some cool plates. Can I just solve it in my inventory by like imagining that I'm rotating them? Use my brain. How it started. How it's going. There was a key firmly embedded in the stone beneath the depression. I want it. I feel like these two just go together. Like, this one has like a blank and then 3 holes, and then this one has 3 blanks and then a hole. Like, they complete each other. Maybe like, so I've been assuming we don't want any holes and we want the key to come out of the tombstone, but maybe that's not it. I don't know. I don't know. I do like the appearance of the red squares, though. It reminds me of saving the game, which is something I love to do. I just got here. I can tell you've been stuck on this puzzle for a long time. It hasn't been that long. Probably only like 20 minutes or something. Okay, how are you gonna rotate this one? I didn't look at it. I forgot. Okay. Yep. There's always one hole that isn't covered. All right, cool. Don't remove the board. This is it. This is the solution. The key, actually, we don't want it. That's the trick. That's why it's so tricky. I don't actually know. Has anything changed? Are there any more boards? What's Maria's last name? Is it Bond? It's got so shiny, yeah. Mari. Okay. Game result. What does that mean? That's my face when I'm looking at the the tombstone. As far as I know, Maria doesn't have a last name. Yeah, she's born from a wish after all. Gotta have parents if you're gonna have a last name. On the save screen, she became the same alien race as Mia. Game result is your stats after you played the main story of Silent Hill 2. I guess I'm going back up here again. I feel like I was thinking to myself, what a wonderful world. And I was thinking, I could just draw on a piece of paper these 3 squares and like the holes they've got and like solve this on paper, but that would take forever. But I'm starting to think that it would take less forever than doing it in the game, you know? Maybe a white stork brought her here as a baby, like in the old cartoons. Or maybe a white fog brought her here. I want the key. I want it. This game series has like trained me to strongly desire keys. I don't need the key. That's the solution. The solution is you can't always have what you want. Like how this person wants to resurrect this dead person. Sometimes it's about letting go. But not this time. I want the key. Uh-huh. Do I want help or should we let you solve it? Yeah, I mean, I looked up online how long this DLC is and it wasn't very long, so I'm okay if it takes a while. I got time. Let's see. I'm gonna take all these out and start drawing them on my book. I don't know if there's actually a way that these overlap without there being a hole. I'm not convinced. See, like, they're never gonna give up. It makes me feel like I should never give up. Oh, to see your beautiful key once again. When the boards cover all sadness too will be covered. The board's gotta cover it all. Good luck, thank you, Stone. For this stream, it's pretty. Thank you. I like it when you put the hand-drawn look on some thumbs, like your Fungo one too. Yeah, I just draw it. I was trying to make myself look a little bit like that one shot of Maria where she's like in the fog and you're like, what the fuck? Yeah. Yeah, I just use lots of different filters and stuff to try and make it look like I'm blending into the environment around me. My cat has begun howling and trying to access cupboards. He's in the kitchen. He's so cute. Yeah. That's why I say a howl. It's a howling meow. Okay. Time to draw some squares. I love squares. Alright. I'm gonna draw the squares. square number 1. Put a W next to it so I know that it's white. It's got a hole like this. And then the next one, the black one. Like when I have these all written in front of me, surely then the solution will be like really obvious. I fucking hope so. Yep, okay, that's the black one. And then the red one. Oops, too far. The red one. Blank. And then one there. Red. Surely this will work. Mine is sleeping, thankfully. That must be nice. I think my cat is usually pretty active around midday. Alright, I have these squares. I'm looking at them. How do I do this? Okay, if I rotate that way, nothing happens. I should play some music. It's just completely silent. Okay. Calculating squares. Begin. I gotta talk through it, otherwise I can't. It's not real if I don't talk. If the red and the black really counter each other out nicely, but maybe that's not the only counter. Maybe there's another counter. Maybe black and then white. But I think we already did black and white upside down together, and that didn't work. We haven't done like red and white with black being the final piece yet. I don't think the order of them really changes anything, but yeah, it's more like finding a solution before complicating it with the third piece. So like white has 3 exposed corners, black has 2 exposed corners, and red has 2 exposed corners. They're all in different positions. I feel like if we can solve the corners, then like the middle shit will sort itself out. If I just stack them all on each other without rotating them, is that the solution? I haven't tried that yet. No rotations. No, that doesn't work. Damn it. Okay, maybe like 1 rotation. I don't know. Hi, Epion. Hello, welcome in. I'm just trying to solve a puzzle. I've drawn it out so I can look at them all. I don't know. I can look at them in game too, but it's just not the same. I'm gonna try white and red. Let's see if I can make any progress with placing these 2 together. The music is still going. So now I have red drawn, I can look at white. If white was upside down, would that be cool? What can black solve? Black can solve diagonal square holes. So should I create a scenario where there's a diagonal? I can't, because red doesn't have any diagonal exposed holes. What the fuck? How do I place the white one? For maximum hole coverage. Doesn't really matter. What if we rotate it once right? I feel like I've done this before. Okay. And then does the black one fit in? If I rotate it once right. I freaking did it. Can I have the key now, please? Yay! Oh my god. Writing it out definitely helps. I feel like I'm a genius now. Give me the key. I got the acacia key. Acacia, that's a kind of tree. Alright, what the frick am I doing with this key? Oh, I'm so happy I have a key. First fucking try, let's go. Okay, let's check my map. Hopefully there'll be like a door that's locked. How do I look at my map again? Wait a second. Up. It's up. Okay. So we got, what do locked doors look like again? They look like a red line on a door. The squiggly ones, you can't open them with a key. The ones with a solid red line can be opened with a key. So there's one in the living room. We can try that one first. And then there's like 3 upstairs. Okay. Oh, I better save the game. I don't want to have to solve that again. Was it this door? It's locked. Do I need to be like... Oh wait, I haven't examined it yet. It's engraved with an acacia flower. Oh, how cute. It can't be used here. 14 hours on the main campaign, yeah. I did it over 2 streams. Alright, we have to go upstairs then. How do I go upstairs? Where are the stairs? That's not the stairs. I don't want to have to open my map for every single question I have about my surroundings. But I kind of need to. Aha! Alright. Oh, that's so cute! Look on this staircase. On the like main support that they're all connecting to. There's a like a tile with a flower on it. Wow. How adorable. They all have it. Okay. Where's the locked doors at? Okay. We got 1, 2. Actually both of them are technically to my right. This one? I feel like she would just like use it automatically if she could. Wait, is this his room?
Ernest, Are you there? No.
Go away.
I guess not.
I want to watch anime on my own. Stop interrupting me. The film grain plus the stream compression makes it hard to see that. It's also incredibly dark as well. Okay. Stop that. Stop that. Okay, it could be that door. Wait. There's like one door that works in this place, but where is it? I immediately forgot. Just straight ahead. Oh, I didn't even notice this door. Okay. Wait. At least there's no enemies in the house. Yay! It's a little bit dark. Do I have a flashlight? No, she doesn't have a flashlight. Okay, that one's broken. So dark. Door here. Okay. A kid's room. Something on the ground over here. What is that? That bullets in a children's room? What was that? Matches. Only 2 or 3 matches are left. It was found in a kid's room. Okay. Small bed for a child. Oh, how cute. The walls are painted to look like a sky with like clouds and stuff. Stuffed animals line the top of the shelf. Nothing very interesting. They're all lined up. Creepy doll sitting on the chair. Now that I look closer, it's filthy. Whoever lived here must have really loved this thing. The shelf is filled with fairy tales and other children's literature. I'm sure I've never read this, but somehow it seems familiar. When I was a kid, my room was painted like the sea with boats and stuff. Cute! But you live in rural Western Australia. I've never been on a boat. Well, you don't need to. You've already experienced it. Boats are pretty cool. What is this? Oh shit, new camera. Is that something? It looked like they would. Oh, cat. He loves to jump on my desk and then like whack the microphone with his tail. I guess it's nothing. Is this a door? What is that? Oh my god, it looks like bars. What the hell? Okay. Oh my god, we're going upstairs again?
Oh no, she fell out the window! Don't move her!
What happened?
There's nobody here though. Was that just like a memory? An audible audio memory? There's a candle here. Let's freaking light it. Yeah. Now what? I'm scared a little bit. Just a little bit. Was there something else on this? Oh, just some books. I guess we can't read them. Whoa! How cinematic. Okay. Look, there's some boxes and stuff. There's a wooden box here. There's nothing particularly unusual about it. Pile of junk from the... Wait, it's a pile of junk from the spider's web. Doesn't look like there's anything useful. The spider collected this junk? Spider is powerful. Okay, I guess... I don't know, what's this? Windows? What about this chair? What's that? Artwork? There's something below the chair. Is this a birthday card? Oh my god, yeah! It says happy birthday. Dear Daddy, happy birthday. And it's got a picture of a cake on it. Oh, I could have just done this the whole time. To my dearest daddy, happy birthday from Amy Baldwin. I got the birthday card. So this is like the Baldwin Manor, right? I don't have a map. Oh, I just wanted the map of like this location. It doesn't say. Well, that's creepy. What does the card say? Alec Baldwin's gonna jump out of a closet and shoot you with a prop gun. Oh, fuck. It's gonna be scary. Maybe I can, like, deflect the bullet with my cleaver. A birthday card and a present from Amy. Contents unknown. Okay, I guess I can't, like... I can't use it, okay. Maybe we could give it to Ernest. I don't know if Ernest is the father of Amy. I don't know if the present is for him.
Give it.
Give it. To Ernest? Get back downstairs. This freaking house is haunted, man.
To my daddy.
Oh my god. Okay. I'm scared. Alright, package delivery for Ernest. Whoa! For Ernest Daddy. Wait, does it have anything? Can I loot? No. The view outside is really cool. You can kind of just see the fog and the trees as you walk past. Oh, I'm getting blood all over the place. Whoops, my bad. I need to reload this thing? There we go. Oh, can I light this candle as well? Oh, nah. I guess we don't need to because there's already a light turned on. I just want to use my cool stuff, you know? Where the frick am I? Okay, to the right. That was me, IRL. Oh my god, Melly the Skelly. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry that you're dead now. Ernest, I have possibly a gift for you. Wait, huh? Sure. Health kit. Acacia. There's a book here. It looks like a plant encyclopedia. Acacia. A genus of evergreen trees of the mimosa tribe of the pea family. That pea family? Its tiny flowers are yellow or white and grow in clusters. Common varieties include the gum tree. The acacia tree is a potent symbol in many religions across the world. In Christianity, it represents eternal life and morality. Wow. In ancient Egypt, it represented purity and rebirth, while in ancient Babylonia, it was thought of as the tree of the goddess Ishtar and was a symbol of life. It was also a holy tree to the ancient Jews who built the sacred Ark of the Covenant from it. And for whom it signified a peaceful death and a release from grief. I want that to be like one religion where it's like, and this one, it means something completely different. No, I wasn't laughing because of pea. Just the vegetable pea is really funny. I was laughing because of the vegetable, not because of the liquid. I know it's hard to believe. What is this sound? Ah! That's the appropriate response. Oh my god, no, it's alive. Freaking cockroaches, man. Okay, I think we got him. Ah. Maria's so cool. Where are we now? Does anyone notice the Taco Bell is doing ads with a remember the 90s type shtick, selling their value box for $7, but in reality that box was like $3.50 in the 90s. Oh my god. That's crazy. How do we have Taco Bell here? I think there's like a couple Taco Bells, like, but they're pretty uncommon. There's a couple around country. In the whole country, there might be like a few of them. I've been before. I had the Crunchwrap Supreme. It was nice, but I don't know. I'm told that all Mexican food in Australia is total shit, so I don't know. Okay, broken door. Good to know. I unlocked this door. That's scary. Oh, they're connected. Some kind of shadow on the ground. I went to one in Japan and it was middling. Taco Bell in Japan. The hell? Hello? This doesn't sound so good. I'm thinking that we are gonna leave. Before we do that, let's kill this guy around the corner. Nice. It's a vase and a lion statue. I've got no use for those right now. Maybe later. Maybe later. I think McDonald's tastes the same everywhere. Chinese McDonald's? Yeah, I think McDonald's is probably the same everywhere. Although they do like regional specials and stuff. Like seasonal menus. Wait. That's not what I wanted. I want the map. Alright, so those stairs lead to a horrible, creepy sound. I guess they lead to like this area? The like servants part of the building. Imagine having a whole part of your house just like for servants to do stuff in. Look, I have a chauffeur and a cook and an employee kitchen. Oh, that's for them to use. They have their own kitchen. Wow. Okay. The lads get to sleep anywhere they like on the ship. Pick a surface. What if they had like lad bunks? Okay, broken door. Broken door. Oh, great. Love that. I guess we're gonna go back into the really scary staircase. Gonna be great. It's gonna be great. I can't even fucking see. Hello? What am I walking towards right now? Oh, dude, a valve. Oh, a radiator. Maybe it's nothing. Ooh, what is that noise? No, like, oh, there it is. Why isn't she shooting at it? Oh no, go back up. No. Wow, that was really, really cramped. Okay. We killed it. It was just one of those coughing guys. Oh, hi, Star Prism. Hi. Welcome in. Wait. You know what they call a quarter pounder with cheese over in France? Quarter pounder. Or like a 250 grammer. That don't use pounds, right? They use grams. I mean, Australia uses grams too, but it's called a quarter pounder here. Oh, I have so many options! So many doors! That one's broken. This one is not broken. Where is this? A window. He's looking at something on the ground. Oh, bullets. How are you doing? I'm good. I'm playing. So once you beat Silent Hill 2, the old one, you can unlock some like extra content where you get to play as Maria. And she's kind of got her own little like mini story that you can play, which is what I'm doing now in this really creepy mansion. It's the Royale with cheese. Oh, dude, I should have known that. They referenced that in that freaking movie. Say what again? That's it, Pulp Fiction, yeah. The moment I read Royale with cheese, I was like taken back immediately to that room. Where are we going? This is the longest hallway. What's that? Like some cleaning supplies? Like a broom? A mop? A mop and a bucket here. I don't really feel like cleaning anyway. Same. What is this? We got some health drinks and a little box. Okay, I should check my health because I think I got coughed on. Oh wait, it's the wrong one. Let's just have a drink. Look at the fog. What's that? Butter cake. There's a box that says butter cake. What kind of cake is that? The butter type? I don't understand. Is that a kind of cake? Man, I love all these camera angles. They're so freaking crazy. What is it? What do you see? What is she looking at? Ah! Okay. That one's dead. Man, it's so dark. I can feel I can see something glistening at the end of the hallway, but I can't tell. I'm going in this room. Ah, nice. A library. Yay. No creepy music, just lots of books. Lots of the cool stuff. What do we have? There's a clock here, but it looks like it's not running anymore. The camera angle's doing a lot of heavy lifting to make a simple-ass house all mysterious and spooky. I don't know. I wouldn't really call this a simple house. It's pretty complicated. Maria is not interested in this literature. Complete. This bookshelf is lined with complete editions of difficult-looking books. I'm not interested in any of that. What about this green book? Yeah, she likes this one. I wonder how y'all's rooms look. Me personally, if there's any clothes that aren't being used, I normally just hang it up in the closet. Oh, I have like a laundry hamper sort of thingy. I just chuck clothes in that, and then I take it to the washing machine when it's full. Pretty simple process. It's just corridors. It's true, it's just corridors with like lots and lots of random doors. Half of them are broken, half of them are locked. My room is neat and tidy always, unless you're asking about my office. Oh no. Yeah, I think I keep my space like... You get a little bit cluttered sometimes, but it's usually pretty neat. I let the dishes pile up a little bit, but I have a dishwasher, so like, just shove them all in there when there's enough. Organized clutter, yeah. I only have 2 cups on my desk. Lost memories. I have the strongest trust, you may even call it faith, in the miracle called Resurrection of the Dead. Upon the hill where the light descended, the beast intoned his song. With words of blood, drops of mist, and the vessel of night, the grave become an open field. The people wept in fear and joy at the reunion, but my faith in the salvation of the... what the frick? Zichilpaba did not waver. It is also spoken in the ancient legends. The original worshippers did not believe that death was the end, but that it was simply the path by which the deceased returned to nature. They also believed the process was reversible. There's something imprinted towards the bottom of the page. Did Ernest write this? What could it mean? Blood equals red, mist equals white, night equals black. I feel like that's pretty. I felt I could figure that one out, Ernest. I don't need your notes. Is there more than one door in this room? Yes. This is the other door.
Do you know a little girl named Amy?
Why do you ask me that?
This letter. To my dearest daddy. It's from a girl named Amy Baldwin. Your daddy?
Yes.
Yes.
Where'd you find that?
Up in the attic.
Oh. What a fool. Now, when it's too late, I finally understand why. Why she was there. Why she was holding that empty envelope when she fell.
Ernest. Amy. She isn't... I'm sorry. I'm sorry I reminded you.
No need to apologize. You didn't remind me. I've never forgotten. Maria, some things we forget, and some things we can never forget. It's funny. I'm not sure which one is sadder,
Damn, Ernest.
but I still...
Ernest, I'm sorry. I didn't know.
No, it's fine. Maria, that letter.
I'll leave it here.
Thanks. Maria? So you must be... That's why you could see me.
What?
Huh?
So perhaps that means that I can hope for a miracle as well.
What do you mean?
Can't move yet, it's still a cutscene.
In the apartment next door, there's a bottle containing a white liquid.
A white liquid?
I don't know exactly where it is, but I know it's in there somewhere. I must have it.
You... want me to get it for you?
Please.
Why don't you just get it yourself?
If I could believe it,
Are you
I would.
lazy, Ernest?
But I...
Ernest, are you scared?
White?
I'll open the stairway door.
Ernest, do you really believe it will work?
I don't know.
Well, that's okay. I don't mind fighting for an impossible cause.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, it beats just giving up and doing nothing.
Maria, thank you.
Maria's like, I'm bored. What you looking at, Maria? Did I forget to pick something up? That's sad and interesting. Oh wait, there's the gift. I see. Why is she looking at it? Amy's present to her father, Ernest. I found it with the birthday card. I think I'll leave this here. Okay. Is there anything else she's looking at? I guess it's just a gift. Ah. Mm. You seeing something? I don't see anything. Oh, that a leggy thing? Well, the music is still playing, so I guess it's not dead. I mean, this one's dead, but like, there's probably other things. It's random, but I always wondered what the health drink tastes like. I wondered that as well. I feel like it would taste kind of like medicine. Maybe like really potent and like syrupy and maybe vaguely like a fruit. Maybe a bit bitter. Yeah, maybe there's a medicine drink you can get in Japan. If you go to Japan and you go to like a konbini and look in the like health drink section, maybe you could find one that has a similar design. I haven't tried these doors yet. Playroom and bathroom. That one's broken. And that one's broken. Okay, back to the map. I gotta check every single freaking door ever. I had the health drink at the Monster Hunter Cafe, but it was just green soda. Nice. Was it like melon flavored? Dining room? Oh, there's a door here. Broken. Ah! Stomp on it. Yay! I killed everything. And there's another door here, maybe? I can only tell because the doorknob was sticking out. Yay! I can save. I think so. It had mint leaves in it as well. Oh, that sounds kind of refreshing. One Hun Cafe gave me a chicken foot in a cup. Oh no. What a different experience. Wow. What did you do to piss them off? Why'd they give you just a chicken foot in a cup? Do they have palicos serving you at the Monster Hunter Cafe? Broken. He said he'd unlock the door to the stairs. There's like so many different stairs in this place, but he might mean... I don't know, he might mean these stairs? I already came from that direction, didn't I? Maybe not. Okay, we'll go in here. And where's the stair door? I completely forgot immediately. Another service room. It's this one, right around the corner. Oh, another save. I already saved like a second ago. Oh, the window is open. Wow. The primary design of the health drink is based heavily off of Japanese energy drinks of the time. The cafe is a very small one. The Yoziya Cafe is top tier. I think they should have palicos serving you. Or at least like catgirl maids or something. I don't know. Have I already been here? I don't have a map of this area. Okay, I guess I haven't been here. I'm scared. Okay, broken. Uh-huh. Not broken. Why does it sound so terrifying? It's down on the floor. Why is she looking up? Some kind of plate on the floor. Ah! These bugs are so gross. Why won't they die? Okay, they're dying a little bit, but there are more of them up here. I need to check that I have enough health. Frickin' hell. I was wondering why she was looking up. It's because there was a bug descending from the ceiling. Oh. Okay, can I have this plate now? Amy Baldwin. She was loved too much by God. 7 years was not enough time. Damn, she died at age 7. Oh, Maid Cafe's scammy, really? Are you shy? Or is it because it's like such a bizarre experience? I think they're really cute. I think Maid Cafes are cute. Can I turn the light on? Nope. I'm more awkward than shy, I think, and my Japanese is extremely limited. Well, yeah. When I went to one, they asked me like what I want them to draw. I don't know if the English was that good. I feel like we kind of just communicated with gestures and pointing. And then I showed them a picture on my phone. I was like, this. Kore. I don't have a map of this either. Damn. Passion. Hey, welcome, Nikamansa. Yo, welcome in. Broken. Wait, is there anything else down this way? I cannot tell. Everything is so dark. Keep out of Haunted Mansion. Wow. Some kind of gross thing over here. I can hear it. It's not a priority. Okay, is there anything in this? No. I just wanted to check. I'm working. Where is this guy? He's probably gonna jump out at me. Oh, hey! And we now have peace and quiet. Okay. I think the best thing about going to the Maid Cafe was seeing how many just like normal people were there. I can't look in the trash? What the hell? There's probably something cool in there. Alright, we got a bunch of fences. Kinda looks like we could maybe push it open? Probably not. Is there anything in here? No. Alright, let's go in the door. This must be the next door where the white liquid is. The worst part was paying. The one I went to gave me a like membership card. It says it's like proof that I'm a member of royalty. Like the license of your majesty or something, I can't remember. It's so freaking cool. Where is this? And I wish I had a light source of some kind. Oh, the bugs are back. Oh, it's broken. Wow, I love standing in the puddles. Little watercle? It's like water particle. These bugs seem pretty chill. Whoa. There's a note here. What does it say? Dear Tim. Oh, not one of these ones again. I have to run an errand, so I'm going out. Wait! I left a house key with Uncle David. You know where he lives, don't you? The key? It's in the room on the first floor staircase. I'll be back as soon as I can, so please watch the place while I'm gone. This is the same room! Oh, I can't see it, but I can see the particles from it stepping in the water. You're dead. Damn it, don't tell me I'm in this stupid apartment building. I hate this place. I don't actually know where the white liquid is, though. Ah, it could be anywhere. Wow. Hello! Valhalla raid! Welcome in, raiders. Thank you so much. Midnight's in Valhalla for the raid. Hi everybody. I'm Mia Galactic, alien mech pilot and creative genius. Wait, I just paused the game just in case. Welcome everybody. Hi, thank you for the follows. Cosmic True, Future World, and Midnight. Hi. Hi. Mecha pilot. I don't have a design for my mech yet. Welcome. Let me do a shout out. Midnight. Midnight's in Valhalla. Hi. Thank you so much for the followers. Thank you. Link Online and Demon Slayer DJ. At Midnight, thank you as well. Hello. I decided to raid someone new and I saw you're playing OG Silent Hill 2. Yes, this is the Maria sub-story. So I beat Silent Hill 2 original and then now I'm playing, basically it came with like an extra story where you can play as Maria. So I'm playing that now. Yeah, it's cool. But yeah, welcome in everybody. If you guys need to go to bed or get anything to eat or drink, or you just need rest, please take care of yourselves. And thank you so much for stopping by. I love your OC. Thank you. I'm self-made. I created everything on my own. I'm a 3D artist as well as a alien and everything else. Yeah. I played Silent Hill 1 original, and then 2. Now we do the sub-story, and then tomorrow we're gonna play Silent Hill 3. Yeah. I've never played the Silent Hill games, so it's been really cool seeing what they're all about. I have to follow you on your socials. Oh, thank you. My style is pretty. Yay, thank you. I'm glad you like it. Thank you so much. But yeah, so if you guys are aware of the remake, this part of the game hasn't been remade because it's like a kind of like a DLC. I'm on the fetch quest right now. What does this lead? Oh my god, this is the room! This is the room where we met Pyramid Head, and I got stuck in that death loop. And the stairs were all like full of water. Oh my god. That's so cool. Barely see though. Maria has like a revolver and a cool like knife, but she doesn't have a flashlight. I cannot see anything. I don't know, does this go anywhere? Maybe this is dead end? Is there a door there? This should take me to the alley that runs to the park. But first I better take care of my promise to Ernest. Oh, okay. We can leave, but we gotta get the liquid first. Okay. Wow, cool. Hi. Neroku Ryukami. Thank you for the follow. Maria's pyramid head is called Tetrahedron Noggin. Alright, so that's like the way out. The blue door. Just getting distracted by all the bugs on the floor. Exit. Oh wait, this door's open. Is this the like up garbage chute, like utilities room? This might be a place where you would store liquid. No? God damn it. It's so nice to meet you. I didn't realize Mari followed you. Oh, Mari, the 3D artist. I can't remember all the people she made. She recently made her own model. She did your model. Wow. Oh, how cool. I'll have to check it out. Her work is really nice. Oh man. Do I have to search this whole building? Is there a door? No. Okay, I guess we can't go upstairs. Oh, it's like all caged off, I see. It's kind of hard to understand sometimes what I'm looking at. Centrea's. Yeah. I couldn't remember her name. I was like, who's the cool red hair lady in V Shoujo? Okay. Boy. Oh, there's another one. I don't know. Do I need to reload? Okay. Maybe now we need to reload. Okay, let's see. I'll just run to the end. Oh, there's another enemy. Hello. It's pointing the gun right at me. Alright. Is this the end of the hallway? Now to try and open every door. This one is broken. I'll be lurking too. I gotta upload my VOD. but I'll definitely keep an eye on you. Oh, thank you. Have a good luck, and thank you again so much for the raid. Have a nice rest. I wonder if I can, like, shoot the door. No, okay. Bye, Midnight. Have a good look. This broken. The two activities in Silent Hill are checking if doors are locked and trying to get keys from convoluted puzzles. I'll still be here. I might message you again. You never know. Oh my god, like a jump scare. All good. What's this room? What is that? Nail polish? Too dark. That little thing on there though. Oh, that's the white liquid! Is it like white out? Got the first aid kit. Got a health drink. It's cool going to the places that James has been. Oh my god, a save. Thank goodness. Okay. So we have the liquid. I think it's funny that we can't do any of the puzzles because we don't have a light, so we can't like read the puzzle. It's right behind me, isn't it? Where does this go? Ah, nice. Okay, so this should just lead us back to Ernest. What was that liquid though? Kinda looks like glue. The small bottle filled with an unknown white liquid. The label reads, "I deny thee." What if I use it? Okay. And it's just gonna be like, what the fuck, Mia? I mean, Maria. Keep out of the haunted mansion. No. She's so cute. I love the way she walks with her gun like that. She's like, let's go. It looks like she's praying, the way she holds it in front of her with both hands. With the, like, the nozzle leaf thing pointing up. I don't know. What do you call that? A barrel? Dear God. It's sleepy time in Derpland. Good night, Derp. Have a good sleep. Oh yeah, sing yeah. Good night, good night. Barely see. Okay. We're back in the correct building. I'll save again. I'll make a new save, just in case I missed something in the apartment that was cool. He's finally sleeping and you want me to go say hello? I'll do it. I'll do it. I cannot remember where Ernest is. I guess we can find out when I get back. Alright, I'm gonna go on a quick BRB break and see where my cat has decided to fall asleep. I can tell he's sleeping because it's gone quiet. He could be anywhere. Risk it for the biscuit. The biscuit is my cat. The biscuit maker. Alright, I'll be right back. Let me get my stuff. We got the kitty. That's my Neko pilot. And some music. Okay. I'll be right back. Okay, he's still sleeping. Mission accomplished. Alright. Okay. Yeah, everything's good. Okay, cool. Welcome back. Thank you. I'm back. Also, hi Via. Welcome in, yo. Alright. So, we have the white liquid. I don't know where Ernest is. But... oh, it's so dark. Maybe I should look at the map one more time. I just closed it. Let's go upstairs, maybe. Oh, there's a wall in the way. Never mind. Then where can I go? The living room behind me, okay. This one. Okay. We are back. Where is Ernest? He's like that way and up the stairs. Oh, everything's in the way. Can I get around this chair? Okay. So he used to be like in this room. I don't know where he is now. He went into like a library or something. Like an office. Where was that? The lounge? I don't know. Okay, this door is not locked apparently. Ah. Okay, wait. Let me back in. Hmm. How do we get back to the study? I went the wrong way. Okay. Back into this room. Fucking hell. And then through the other door. Was it the one that's like in a little enclosure? Kinda. The door that's like... I feel like I came in from this direction and I was like, whoa. Whoa! Why is he always meowing? Okay, cool. I don't want to go in there. Okay, I finally have relocated this study.
Thank you, Maria. That's the only item I couldn't get myself. By the time I found out about it, I could no longer leave this house. So long.
Yes, but Will...
Maria, the gods are here. You know it too. You were born in this town.
I'm not sure God is the right word.
Do you believe in fate?
Not really.
That's fine then.
Ernest, can I open this?
This is a dead end. There's nothing beyond here.
I know. So, what if I had said I believed in fate?
That James. He's a bad man.
James... He... Yes. I know.
He's looking for the you that isn't you.
Because he's kind? Do you know something?
Yes. Maria, you're...
Anyway,
What?
that's just what you think. You don't really know anything. That's fine.
Okay.
Okay. Not gonna be anyone there, is there? They opened the gift. It was a pair of gloves. Going on? What's he gonna do with the liquid? Well, She ran out of fetch quests. I wonder if you can get that in New Game Plus.
James.
Wow. Yay!
Mary?
Mary? Is that you?
No, you're not.
Do I look like your girlfriend? My name is Maria.
Wow. This is so hardcore. This is so cool. You don't get graphic design like this anymore. Do I look like your girlfriend? She freaking knows everything. Oh my god. You can't get her revolver in New Game Plus. So it would be cool if you went to that location as James and you're like, what's this revolver doing here? I was wondering when she started holding her gun and looking at it, I was like, oh, okay, she's gonna have to like get rid of it because she doesn't have it, you know, in the base game. It's not like there's anywhere on her outfit she could really stow it. Wow, that was cool. But she's real, but she's also kind of not real. Wow. I wonder what she does after this game is done. I haven't seen the Maria ending. Ah, that was so sad. When we were running away in the hospital. Wow. What a nice way to give you like more information, but not really actually resolve anything. I'm real. Virtual YouTuber or real YouTuber? Thank you. Now I can start Silent Hill 3. Yeah, we're gonna play Silent Hill 3 tomorrow. So when I played Silent Hill 2, I got the Leave ending, which is that one that's showing, I think. I thought it was interesting that Mary and Maria have different eye colors. The different hair color I thought was just like, you know, you can easily bleach your hair, but you can't really change your eye color that, like, just to be completely different. I mean, you could with contact lenses, but at that point it's a little bit insane. Bum, 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 bum. Tomorrow's office day. Oh no. Don't worry. I'm probably not gonna beat it in like one stream. Game result. Took me just 2 hours, 2.25 hours. Most of my enemies were defeated by stomping on them. Nice. Why did Fate red like that? Oh my god, he's meowing again. What is he freaking doing? Anyway. Yay! Meow! God damn it. I shouldn't have woken him up. He's so annoying now. Save possible. Oh, game result is just the name of the save file. I see, I see. Option. Yay, alright. Let's see. I kinda... Well, what was I gonna do? I was gonna do a puzzle. I was gonna end stream with a puzzle. Let me get it. You're not invited. Stop meowing. Okay. It's ready. Wait a second. It's not ready yet. I guess it doesn't matter. Okay, let's make it... Yeah, like... How many is that?
James, honey, did something happen to you?
She's talking.
After we got separated in that long hallway?
No.
Are you confusing me with someone else?
I'm scared. Okay, we're gonna do a puzzle. This one is totally related to Silent Hill. I think it needs to be smaller, to be honest. Yeah, that looks good. And then multiplayer mode. Puppy. Okay, if you would like to assist me with this puzzle, you can use the link to join. To join the puzzle making. Usually I like to sort the edge pieces first. There's a lot of just this fog. It's gotta be like in the spirit of the game, you know? So many pieces. Not quite. Hi, Magic Wolf, welcome in. Oh, I should change the category to puzzle. People will be like, wait a second. This isn't Silent Hill 2. Puzzle. It's puzzle. It's a game even older than Silent Hill. Okay. Dun, dun. Where did these guys go? Oh yeah, if you would like to join the puzzle, you can do so by clicking the link that says Jigex. Extreme puzzles. Yeah, nice. The original puzzle game. Literally, it's just a puzzle. Should have done the puzzle of the whole puzzle. I tried to make a custom puzzle. I was looking up Silent Hill 2 wallpapers from from ages ago, and I was trying to make them into puzzles, but it kept not working. It was like, the link you provided is shit. So I had to go for something tangential. It's kind of fun looking through the existing puzzle library and trying to pick from it, what out of all these generic puzzles fits the vibe.
Mozzarella. I write rhymes in a box of Nutella. Fight crime.
A box of Nutella?
Did time cause I copped some feta. Not good enough to sub for cheddar. I want cheese, I'm a decent fella. In the sewer, don't worry about weather. Rat pack in your basement cellar. Yeah. Master Splinter, tell me about cheese. Cooking like Remy and Ratatouille. Float like a butterfly, sting like tree. Trapped in a rat race, trying to be free. Parmesan, cheddar jack, even cold pea is the only kind of currency that works for me. Life gets hard from a lab to the city where the grass ain't green and the streets ain't pretty.
The puzzler! Damn, we have the puzzler working on this puzzle. It's gonna be easy.
Uh-oh, that's the jackpot. He's got her. He wins the prize, an aromatic chunk of cheese. Yum, yum.
Yes!
Well, we let him try it over and over again.
Here.
This trip through the maze.
Yes! We have the whole bottom edge complete! And the whole right edge, too.
The right turn.
The top is kind of hard. It's all just misty skies.
Got cheese on the trap looking at me. Rat taxi, rat taxi. I got cheese on the trap looking at me. Yeah, the pesticide set aside won't fool me. I'm smarter than the average rat you see. Arise from the sewer, I'm finally free. And man, I'll be walking down Cheesy Street. Yeah. Rat taxi, I got cheese on the trap looking at me. Rat taxi, I got cheese on the trap looking at me.
Bum ba da dum bum. Bum bum bum. Bum ba 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 bum. Where the frick is hacker? Bum bum bum. Ba 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 bum bum. So many white and gray gradient pieces? Yes. Because it's Silent Hill. It wouldn't be a Silent Hill puzzle if it wasn't like this. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Nice. Nice. We're slowly making sense of this like little dark sector here. puzzle. It got the piece on the bottom of the boat that I was looking for like 5 minutes. That's why they're the puzzler. Puzzler, our hero. What makes me the puzzler? I'm not the puzzler. Whoop, whoops. Whoops. Boom, 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 boom. You're running out of things that aren't just like blank white pieces. You can see all the pieces that are left behind that haven't been solved yet. They're all just shades of gray with nothing distinct about them. Now the real fun begins. Time to just start trying to slap any of the pieces together. Yeah. Got some kind of like hilly structure. Where do they all go? Nice. Is it perhaps a silent hill? It could be. Damn. It's time to go crazy. Yo, hi Penrose. Welcome in to Puzzle Mania. Where the hell does this piece go? I need like a funky corner piece to go here. Yeah, got it. Alright. Okay. What's a piece that looks like this? Huh, nice. Watashi wa tensai desu. Oh boy, the gray sky. Yeah. It's just like playing Silent Hill. At this point, it's kind of just like looking at the shape that's needed and being like, yep, that looks like it fits. Oh no, it goes in the wrong direction. One of the prongs was pointing the wrong way. Oh my god, it's rapidly ending. We've done it! Yay! I picked this puzzle because it's really foggy. It's on a lake, there's a hill in the background, and there's boats. And you ride a boat at the end of Silent Hill 2. Spoilers, you ride a boat. You row a boat across the lake. Yeah, so that's my best that I could do with the limited jigsaw gallery that I could pick between. Anyway, all right. I guess it's quite a short stream. I'm kind of curious about watching the other endings. Silent Hill 2 original. I'm just gonna watch the 2001 versions though. 2001 alternate endings. All 7 endings. Okay.
Zero definitely helps manage cash flow.
Ads. One second. Why am I spinning and vibrating? Why am I vibrating? What's happening? When did I press that button? Okay. So we've already seen this ending. This is the ending that I got. This is the ending that I got.
Mary?
Whoa, it's loud.
Wrong again. Mary's dead. You killed her.
Maria? Maria, I'm done with you.
What do you mean? But I can be yours. I'll be here for you forever. And I'll never yell at you or make you feel bad. That's what you wanted.
Now I understand.
Literally yelling at him right now.
You're not Mary.
No, James. I won't let you. I'll never let you have your Mary back.
Whoa. Yeah, I already know what happens after that. Oh, interesting. So that lady ends up being Maria. I thought that was Mary. Kaboom!
Mary?
James.
forgive me?
I told you that I wanted to die, James. I wanted the pain to end.
That's why I did it, honey. I just couldn't watch you suffer. No. That's not the whole truth. You also said that you didn't want to die. The truth is, part of me hated you for taking away my life.
You killed me, and you're suffering for it. It's enough, James.
Mary?
James.
What even is real? Where are we going? What is this? No, not ads. My ad blocker doesn't work anymore. But that was the... Wait, what ending was that one? Leave? Leave with her ending. In the water. I thought in the water was going in the water. Are these not named accurately? You gotta dump the body in the water? Is that what in the water is? This is from the Silent Hill 2 Enhanced Edition. I played the Silent Hill 2 Greatest Hits. Greatest Hits Edition. So there's Leave, Water, Maria, and then Rebirth is the one you get after doing the other endings. And then there's the dog and the UFO. And then there's Born from a Wish. I see. How long does this ad want to be? I should really switch to Firefox. I used to use AdBlock on Chrome, but they broke it, so it doesn't work anymore. I think I'm going to make the switch soon too. Yeah, I might do it this week. I've been putting it off. For now, uBlock Origin works still. Oh, Google Translator's gone. Sucks. Sucks as well. I guess I just have to learn how to read every language. Oh, the ending wasn't over yet? Yeah, whoops. Now I understand the real reason I came to this town.
I wonder, what was I afraid of? Without you, Mary, I've got nothing.
What? What's with the hectic driving?
Now we can be together.
Oh my god.
Restless dreams. I see that town.
No, I don't want to see that town. That letter's too sad. James is a rally car driver, and instead of tofu, he's using his wife's corpse. Is the letter different when she's in the water? It looks the same. I feel like that's something I can verify. Not in a video. Hello.
James, I've been waiting.
Mary.
So this
I'm
is actually
sorry
just
it took so
Maria in
long.
cosplay.
Didn't you want to see me?
Yes, I wanted to see you. Even an illusion of you. That's why I came here.
It's not true, is it? You killed me.
I couldn't watch you suffer.
Don't make excuses, James. I know I was a burden on you. You must have hated me. That's why you got rid of me.
It's true. I may have had some of those feelings.
Hmm?
It was a long 3 years. I was tired.
The fuck? That's why you needed this Maria person? James, do you really think I could ever forgive you for what you did?
Did I play the remake? No, I only played the original. Whoa, this time with the pyramid knife. Doo 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 doo. Wait. He waiting to meet Maria, but he just killed her.
You killed Mary again?
Huh?
That wasn't Mary. Mary's gone. That was just something Maria? Maria?
What, James?
I want you. I want you with me.
What the fuck?
Are you sure?
Come on. Let's get out of here.
Who'll be my girlfriend?
What about Mary?
It's okay. I have you.
Uh-huh. Here you go. No, not again. Oh, what ending did I get? I got the leave ending, which I think is pretty cool. I think it's a pretty cool ending. It's the one where it's like the nicest James, and we go to a graveyard and visit my wife's grave, and then also Laura is there. I guess the implication is I've adopted her, because that was kind of like what Mary wanted to do. Yeah.
I see that town.
No! Oh my god, Mary's voice actress is too good. That was Maria's ending. This is the rebirth ending, which you get after getting the other endings.
James.
Maria, I'm finished with you.
Whoa.
What? I'm what she wanted. Mary's dead. Don't you understand? She's not coming back. But I can be yours. I'll be here for you forever. I'll never hurt you like she did. So why don't you want me?
Because you're not Mary. Without Mary, I just can't go on.
Oh, James. Come on, James. You must be joking.
Oh, James. Oh, God. It's exactly the same. But this isn't. Look, she's in the boat. This is the boat puzzle we just did. Where are we going, James?
Mary, you look so peaceful. Forgive me for waking you. But without you, I just can't go on.
He's like Ernest.
I can't live without you, Mary. This town, Silent Hill. The old gods haven't left this place. And they still grant power to those who venerate them. Power to defy even death.
Decoy.
Ah, Mary.
This is creepy. Imagine being Mary. Wow. Oh, look, there's a church on that island. Oh, the puppy! Aww. Wait, he's speaking Japanese now. Omaewa. The kiss. He didn't need a new girlfriend, he just needed a dog. Wow. And Tomb Raider. Wow, Tomb Raider. That was the Rebirth ending. Dog ending. UFO ending. I really want to see the UFO ending. Oh my god, there's so many of them. Huh? That's Silent Hill 1 guy. Harry. Who are you? I'm you, but lower poly. Have you seen a little girl around here? Short, black hair. I'm looking for my wife. What are you talking about? Anyway, listen. Have you seen my wife? Her name's Mary. Shut up! Ah! That's me. Good job. Wow. I'm so happy we formed this alliance. Huh? Oh, this is the Mary ending that we got from playing Born from a Wish. Nice. Okay. Thank you for bearing with me. I wanted to see the other endings. Yeah, I think I like my ending the most. The Leave ending was pretty good. The others are all like, I don't know, they're interesting. I feel like almost like they're like alternate reality versions of James. You know? Like the ending you get kind of recontextualizes everything in a way that he almost feels like a different guy. Anyway, oh, that was really cool. We'll be playing Silent Hill 3 tomorrow, which is a sequel to Silent Hill 1. So if you've played the Silent Hill 2 remake and you're looking forward to seeing what happens next, Silent Hill 3 is not a sequel to Silent Hill 2. It's a sequel to Silent Hill 1. But yeah, I'll probably watch the other Silent Hill 1 endings. And then... what ending did I get? I got bad good? I got bad plus. I got the bad plus ending. I don't think there's a story sequel to 2. Yeah, it does seem quite resolved. Kind of like a standalone Silent Hill story. I guess the sequel to it is like Born from a Wish, which we played today. Yeah. It's not really a sequel, it's like a prequel. It's very interesting. It's very interesting. I'm looking forward to watching some Silent Hill 2 like lore videos now. I didn't see the true final boss in Silent Hill 1. Yeah, in Silent Hill 1, there was an NPC that I met who was like a doctor. But you were able to meet him again later in the game, but I just totally missed him. In the resort town, before you go to the lighthouse. Yeah, Dr. Kaufman? He's coughing? I don't know. Anyway, I was meant to find him and do stuff with him to get the real ending. I don't really like the idea of there being like a real ending there. I did try and go back, but even though I had a save that was kind of in the right place, this bridge had collapsed already as soon as I crossed it, so I couldn't go back. Anyway, yeah, so I got the ending where I saved the police lady. So, yeah, I killed the Cheryl-ish thing that was like I don't really understand, to be honest. I need to watch the other endings and remember what the frick is going on. So that when we play Silent Hill 3, I'll be like, yep, I know who Cheryl is. I know everything. Some of his lore might be relevant towards Silent Hill 3. I don't know. The incubator. Yeah, the daughter of the crazy church lady. That was so fucked up. What the hell? Yeah, so that's tomorrow. Thank you for hanging out with me today. We also on Friday have the return of Oblivion. I haven't played Oblivion in a whole month. I'm gonna get back to the weekly Friday night Oblivions. How many Oblivion streams have I done? Let me see. 28. Is that right? 29. Wait, 29? Wait, is it going to be my 30th Oblivion stream when we return? Nice. Great stream. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Thank you so much for the raid earlier. Back to punching Slaughterfish. Oh, that's right. I'm in the arena and I'm like... I think I'm the... Am I the leader of the Mages Guild now? I gotta like conquer every guild. I think I'm aiming to be like level 27 and then we can go back and help Martin again. He was trying to go in the... Wait, he wants me to go into like the Great Oblivion Gate. But to do that, first we have to survive the battle. Yeah, it's pretty tough. I don't know. Fingers crossed. Anyway, that's everything. I guess we should do a raid. It's kind of a little baby stream, only 3 hours. Let's see. Let's raid Dasu. Maybe? What's she playing? Disney Twisted Wonderland. With the power of friendship. Oh, it's a collab stream. How cute. Alright. Raid messages. 1. Keep vibrating. Raid the message number 2. I have to stop neglecting clients to do some work. Yeah, have a good day, everybody. Or a good night, if it's night for you. For me, it's only 4 p.m. I might go make some more tea. I've got work I need to get done as well. Life continues on. Yeah, thanks for stream. I'm glad I had a public holiday to watch. Oh, that's right. Victoria has a public holiday today. For some sport thing. Is it the horse one? Bum 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 bum. Good night, Ultraviolent. Oyasumiya. Yeah, horsing around at the Melbourne Cup. I see. Before you end, in case you missed it, I recommend the extension when you switch. This extension. Wait. Oh, I did miss that. Which extension was that? There's True Good Translators. Okay. I will get them. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of Melbourne Cup. I feel like... Yeah. Basically exactly what you said, Dustad. It sucks. Okay, the raid has been created. I'll see you guys tomorrow for Silent Hill 3 and on Friday for Oblivion. Have a good November! It's November now. It's been November for 5 days. Wow. The year is nearly over. Oh, and good luck as well to the Americans. I know you're picking a new leader at the moment. I hope that goes well. Frickin' hell. Thanks for the stream. Thank you, everybody. And thank you for the follow. Wiggly Piggly. Thank you so much. Guten Tag, Friendinig. I am Pork. Welcome in. Yeah, I will be the new president of Earth. It'll be great.